All right. Welcome to Fish Steak Mama. Fish Sauce Mama. Look at that Oolong Sea Bass fish steak with shiitake mushroom. Yum. Let's get cooking. So here I have a piece of sea bass steak. It is very expensive. It's very delicate and so yummy though. It's so worth it to make this at home. If you go to PF Chang's, this will cost you about $100 because this piece of steak is about 4 times bigger than the one that they serve you at the restaurant. And I am able to put in the shiitake mushroom that I like versus what they put in there. I think spinach, and theirs is a little bit too salty for me. So if you're not on the salty side, this is your recipe. So dry your fish. And here I got about 10 to 12 shiitake mushroom dried and a packet of oolong tea. If you don't have a tablespoon of loose oolong tea, you can use a bag. Either one is fine. I've used both times. And get you some garlic. I have 3 garlic cloves here and a chunk of ginger. It's about 4 ounces. And cut them up, peel and cut them up, and get your mushroom and wash them. I suggest you soak them for 30 minutes to an hour. Play with them a little bit. They're so fun to push them down. They keep rising up to the water, the top of the water. But I end up put a dish on top just to make sure they're all submerged and sink. So in a pot, get you half a cup of brown sugar, a 2/3 of a cup of soy sauce, low sodium, and 2 cups of water. You throw in the other stuff that you cut up, ginger and garlic, and your tea bag or loose tea leaves. The designer did not design this for the pot, so I ended up cut the string out. So on the stove, let's bring this potion to boil. Start out with high heat, and when it's boiled, turn the heat down to simmer and keep it there for about 5 minutes. Look at that, it's about ready. Turn off the heat. So it's been simmered for 5 minutes. I will put this in the fridge until it's cooled down. So be right back. In the meantime, my mushroom babies are all soaked up and hydrated. Look at them. I'll show you a couple, 1 or 2. Look at that. They are so plump and so yummy. Rinse them out a couple of times and put them on the dish or transfer them to a cutting board. Ready to cut them up into bite sizes. So this is how I cut my mushroom. You cut them however you like. I usually turn them down like that and cut them maybe 3 to 4 times. Like so. I'll do another one. So now is a good time to bring your fish out. Pour you some sauce on top and let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes before you cook it. I soaked this for about 2 hours before and the fish looks kind of brown. I didn't like it, so I'm only gonna soak about 5 to 10 minutes this time, just right before I'm getting ready to cook them. And maybe flip them about a couple of minutes, every 5 minutes, and just flip it over. Make sure the other side gets some of that good stuff. Turn on the high heat and get you a good pan smoking hot, piping hot. 2 tablespoons of oil. Not necessarily have to be the cast iron. I just happen to have it laying around. I thought I would use it. So cook one side for 1 minute and flip it over for another minute. Remember, don't let your fish get away from you. They can be very, very slippery. In the meantime, get the bed ready, baking bed, pour a little bit of oil and transfer them onto that baking bed like so. In the oven, on broil, high heat for 15 minutes. In the meantime, throw your mushroom in there with about half a cup of the sauce and simmer it to let all the sauce soak into the mushroom like so. Before you take it down. And look at this. In about half time, the fish are about crushing up on the top. Look at that. Crush. Yummy, crispy. Look at that. Oh, that is what I am going to eat first. 15 minutes is ready. Take them out or take it out. Don't burn this piece of delicate. And transfer your mushroom onto a plate. Give it a nice cushy bed and slide him right on top. He was so big I couldn't get him, so I just slid him down. And if you have an extra juice, don't waste it. There you go. Look at him. So nice, not too brown. I was trying to measure him, but how big he was. Look at that. I couldn't measure him. It was so big. I was trying to use my something to compare, and it was like, oh, the only thing I could think about was my head. And here it is, guys. Take a bite. And hey, let's comment down below and let me know how you like it. Look at that, yummy, so yummy, I tell you. Here's some more photos. So thank you for watching, guys. This is it. Give it a try and please subscribe to my channel and let me know how yours turn out. Thank you. Bye bye.